Hello! So, ngayon yung review natin is Tarot of Mystical Moments by Catherine Wellstein. Ang ganda nito. Lagi ko itong nakikita actually sa ibang seller dito sa Philippines. Pero, binili ko siya sa US. Alright, it cost $25.90. So, yun. Okay, ito siya. May silver, ano siya sa mga gilid. Ito yung gilid. Kabilang gilid. And back. Alright, buksan natin. Tingnan muna natin yung book. So, malit lang yung book. Manipis lang din. Wala siyang picture. Wala siyang pictures. So, meron siyang, yung meaning, like, diretso siya major arcana, no? Wala din siyang spread. So, yan. Meron siyang meaning ng the Fool, and then upright keywords, then reverse meaning. Yun lang. Ganun lang siya kasimple and direct. Alright? So, tingnan na natin. Meron siyang pa-welcome. Tarot Mystical Moments. And then yan. Ganyan. Including 5 cards that are typical male. The Emperor, the 4 Kings, she leader, my version. Ay, may additional pala siya. Hindi siya 78. It's 83 card tarot. Ayan. Deck offers 5 bonus cards, which readers may choose to include or to remove. So, you can also customize your readings by adding the card or oracle of mystical moments for their insight. Ayan. Ito yung back. So, kung nagbabasa ka ng reverse, maganda siya. Kasi, ayan, hindi siya mahalata. Ito yung back. Ito yung reverse. So, sorry. Ayan. No? Hindi siya halata. It's good. Yung gilid niya, parang pwede ka magsalamin. Napakakintab. Gilded siya. Although hindi ako fan ng gilded, lagi ko sinasabi sa video ko kasi nga nagfe-fade yan eventually kapag ang ganda niya. Para siyang maharlika. Ayan. So, tingnan natin isa-isa. Lalagay ko sa gilid para kung mabilis man yung pag-flip ko, makikita nyo pa rin siya sa side ko. Okay, let's start. The Fool. Ang ganda ng texture niya. Ikikip ko to. Di ko to siya isa-sell. The Magician. The High Priestess. The Empress. Oh, ang ganda. The Emperor. The Emperor. And the Emperor. Dalawa yung Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. The Chariot. Hindi naman yung chariot niya, pero snail. The Strength. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Justice. Hangman. Death. Ang ganda ng illustration niya. Kaya pala sikat siya. Temperance. Devil. Oh, look at the tower. So nice. The star. The moon. The sun. Judgment. The world. Ace of Wands. Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. Parang ano no, top of the world. Five of Wands. Six of Wands. Seven of Wands. Eight of Wands. 9. 10. Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. Queen of Wands. King of Wands. King of Wands. Ace of Cups. Oh, so it's Two of Cups pala. Tingin ko author nito Gemini. Three of Cups. Four of Cups. Five of Cups. Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. Eight of Cups. Nine of Cups. 10 of Cups. Page of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen. King. Dalawa yung King of Cups din. WW Emperor, King, Ace. Two of Swords. Three of Swords. Four of Swords. Five of Swords. Six. Seven of Swords. Eight of Swords. Nine of Swords. 10 of Swords. Queen of Swords. King of Swords. And then King of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Nadala siya. Wait. And Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. 4. 5. 6 of Pentacles. 7 of Pentacles. King and King. Ayan siya. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda niya. Para sa price niya. Marami kasing mas mahal. Pero mas maganda to. Worth it siya sa price niya. Ayun. So, try natin i-shuffle. Pwede na yung pag ganito. Ang smooth lang. Gusto ko siyang i-shuffle. Maganda siya. Magandang klase yung ano niya, materials talaga niya. Ayan o. Maganda siya. Smooth na photo paper. Hindi siya ganun kanipis. Hindi din siya ganun kakapal. Malaki siya, no? Ayan. Malaki siya. Pero okay lang. Maganda siya. So, yun. ano, 9 out of 10. Para sa akin, 9 out of 10 siya. Din lang po. If you have any tarot in mind na gusto nyong i-review ko, baka available na yun, uunahin ko siya, just comment below. And then, if not, I'll try my best to search for it or buy it. Ayun. Thank you. Have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye!